Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be installing the Legend wheel well covers in our RAM ProMaster. Let's get into it. Okay, this should be a super simple and quick installation. There's really just two pieces that need to be placed onto the vehicle and then secured with some push-in clips. So right out of the box, you're going to get these panels right here. They are side specific, so one of them is going to have driver etched into it, so this is going to be our driver side, and the other is going to have pass etched into it. That's going to be our passenger side. So this will go over here, and then also in the box is going to be your installation hardware, which is these push-in rivets. Before I install these, all you have to do to install actually is put them in place and you push in your pins into these existing holes. Before I do that, we get questions all the time on, can you stuff additional insulation behind these? So as you can see, there is this foil type of insulation. There's some foil, and then there is like a few millimeters, 4 millimeters or so of black insulation material already on these wheel well covers. It's gonna cut down on noise, temperature control, but I want to know, is there any additional room to stuff some more insulation back there? I'm just going to kind of jiggle that around. I got a rag here that might be the size of like some thinsulate material or something like that. Just going to push this right up against here, and yeah, that looks like that'll fit okay. So if you have a little bit of insulation material, obviously you're not going to be able to fit an inch back there, but if you have something thin, you could stuff some additional insulation back there, just not like a 1/2 inch, 1 inch material or anything like that. So if you had that question, now you know the answer. So we're going to continue with our installation. We have a bag here of our black push-in clips. Now if you're going to be installing a floor or walls, you do want to put these wheel well covers in first. They do have lips right here. This goes behind the wall liner, and then the lip on the ground is going to go underneath the floor, so this needs to go in first. If you're doing a wall liner, you actually do not need to use this hardware because your wall liner goes into those same locations. And so you're going to go through the wall liner, through the wheel well cover into these locations right here. But for this installation, we're going to be doing wall liners actually, but if you aren't, just to give you a demo of what this installation looks like, I'm just going to push that in here. So we're done. With our driver side, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clips. It looks like we have the same thing over here on the passenger side. So that really just about does it for the installation of these wheel well covers. Again, if you're going to be putting in wall liners or a floor, make sure you put these in first because they do kind of tuck under the floor and behind the wall liner, so make sure those are in first. Now, if you're looking for these wheel well covers or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's ready for work or adventure, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.